Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I'm working on a few projects today, so yes, I'm wearing the same shirt in multiple videos. I am working today on prepping for Duluth Junk Hunt and for the store. Eating a lifesaver. Very bad. Anyways, I'm working on this step stool here. It's cute. It looks like it's brand new. I don't even know if it's ever been used. We are going to be using Country Chic paint and Dune grass. And we are going to be using this Iron Orchids Designs Transfer. We're going to be using out of this one. It is Painterly Florals. We're going to be using the sunflowers in this today. I'm going to put the sunflowers on the top once everything is painted and distressed. Please like, subscribe, and share, and watch as we make this. So as I mentioned, this is a fairly new piece, if not completely new. It is raw wood. Again, I'm using Country Chic Dune grass. This is taking the paint so well. It is going on very good. I'm getting one coat coverage. I will not be adding a second coat. I do plan to distress this in the end. So that is... keep that in mind. I didn't need to add that second coat. If you were looking for total coverage, a second coat, probably like a half coat for touch-ups would have been perfect. I get that all on and I cut out the sunflowers from the Painterly Floral IOD transfer pad. I end up going back in and cutting out another one. The hardest part was applying the transfer in between those slats, between the little tool and my thumbnail. I got them on there pretty good. I do use that paper once it's released to rub down and get out any air bubbles. And there's that second leaf I ended up cutting out. And I'm doing the same process, rubbing over this once I get it released. I'm going to be distressing this with 220 grit sandpaper. I'm going to go over all of the edges and just a quick swipe over the top. And then I'm going to take out my Country Chic top coat and get this all sealed up. This is going to get 2 coats of this because I do know that this is going to be used, whether for a plant stand or an actual step stool. It's a useful piece, so I want to make sure that I have that extra protection on this. So I'm getting it all done on the edges, the sides, and the top. I did not do the bottom, and here is my finished piece. What do you guys think of this?